Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am in my friend's studio in Las Vegas, and I did that little video on using your own cardstock and making cute little money pockets and cutting out. I put a free file on Petresca Papers Facebook group. So many of you went in there and downloaded it, and so many of you joined the group, I think because of that. Well, I started thinking about how tedious sometimes it is cutting out all those little tiny houses or little windows and doors. So I came up with this kit. And this kit's name is Home Sweet Home's Little Houses Money Pockets Christmas, because there will be more to follow. It's a digital kit. It'll be available on my Etsy shop, and I'll have the link down below. And also, if you want to get the little windows and doors, I'll have a link to that on my Petresca Papers Facebook page. So this is take 2 on this video. So I've already got this cut out. This came out off of this sheet like that. So you get 3 options. You get a turquoise, that newfangled Christmas stuff, red polka dot, and a very deep green base. So these are the bases. I am putting instructions right here, very basic. Cut out the base. We've cut out the base. We've folded or scored. I couldn't find her scoreboard, so we're folding. Ink all edges if desired. I don't desire to right now. We're going to run a thin bead of glue along the inside bottom edge. This was really a hard thing for me to put into words. So this is the inside. This is the bottom edge, and I'm going to put just a fine, thin bead of glue. As fine as you can do. So let me get in frame. I'm just going to go right along there like that. Then you're going to fold in one edge. Doesn't matter which one. And squish it down here at the bottom. My lighting in here is bad. Sorry. And then I'm going to put a little strip of glue right along here. And the instructions are worded. Run a bead of glue on the inside of the other flap and fold them together. So I'm folding them together. This is a really wet glue. I am not a fan. This, in fact, may stay in her studio. Now, I want to make sure that my pocket is open. And it is. And you can see in there that brickwork is our little lining in there. Okay? Now, here's the roof. The roof's choices are, let me turn this way. There is the red houndstooth. There's a deep green again with, I don't know what that pattern is, circles, turquoise polka dots, and red candy cane stripe. There are also 4, I think they go this way, 4 labels for you to label, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. So we've got this all ready, and you can see in there I printed the wood grain, because when we put this on here, we're going to see all of this. So the roof instructions are cut out the roof. Roof is cut out. Score in half. Ink all edges if desired. Glue inside of the roof flap to the back of pocket, leaving about 1/2 inch of space from the inside fold to the top of the pocket. Wow. I'm sorry about that shadow. And I'm sorry everything is tilty, but I have to stand off to the side. So Boy, I've got a million excuses, don't I? Okay. I just couldn't wait. I didn't want to wait to do this till I get home. All right. So this is going right there. We've got that 1/2 inch there. And this folds down. We need to center. Okay. And I'm going to pull that up just a little. Give those windows just a little more space. So this opens. And money or gift card. Oh, that glue. I don't like it. Come on. Okay, I have to be patient, I guess. And squish and squish. While we're doing that, on the back side, you can take a label and trim it out and frame. Just like this. It says to and from. Very basic. And then that will get glued on. Put the glue on it. Right there. And that's not upside down. That'll stick right on there. And it's done. And that needs to be glued down a little bit better right there. Give it a little slather of glue so it can ooze out all over me. But here it is. You didn't have to cut out all the windows. You didn't have to cut out the doors, the wreath, the trees. It's done. So you could kick out a bunch of these in no time flat, just as long as it takes you to print, cut, and glue. You don't have to design. Now, I know we love to design. That's part of the fun. But I think this is really a great way to get a whole lot of them done. Since if you're giving gift cards or money, this is a great little thing to put the money in. Now, I am going to, like I said in my other video, I'm going to, and I just don't have ribbon and I don't want to go crawling through all their stuff, but put 2 holes in there, string some ribbon up through here, tie a knot, and it will be like a little ornament. And then on the back, we've got their name. Well, I am so sorry for how crazy this video is. I hope you understand that I am just kind of out of my comfort zone here, but I didn't want to wait because I know you want to get started on this. So go find it at my Etsy shop. Again, it's Home Sweet Homes, Little Houses, Money Pockets. Thank you so much. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you've already subscribed, you probably figured out I'm a little insane, but you know, I'm having a whole lot of fun. Thanks for coming along with me. Take care. Bye-bye.